Good morning, everyone. Today, we will see how basketball players use physics when shooting three-pointers. Right now, we will enter the gymnasium and see professional players shoot basketballs. Let's go.
When handling the basketball, grab it so that your hands support the ball. Keep the ball under the elbow and make sure the elbow is facing the basket. Lift it so that the arm you're shooting with creates some sort of catapult for the ball to launch. The factors that affect a three-point throw are the angle at which the ball is placed, the gravity, and the force at which the player throws the ball. In this case, the three factors work in perfect congruence in order to get the ball inside the basket. Let's see a repetition of the three-point throw to make sure that we understood. Once again, we can see that the player is implementing the perfect throw position mentioned at the beginning and taking in consideration the gravity, the force at which he is throwing the ball, and the angle of his arms. This is known as launch angle. In this clip, we can see how retired NBA player Ray Allen shoots three-pointers. Studies have shown that the ideal launch angle is 48 degrees. What made Ray Allen one of the best three-point shooters in the NBA is how he consistently shot within 2-degree range of the ideal launch angle. As you can see, the ball follows a trajectory similar to that in projectile motion, where the ball travels upward and downward in the form of a parabola. Another important component is the release point. The closer you release the ball to a point parallel to the basket, the shorter distance the ball has to travel. This can be proved by the Pythagorean theorem. The distance for a three-point position is around 6.71 meters. In this case, Ray Allen jumps to a distance of around 0.745 meters, minus his release point would be 0.305 meters. Following Pythagorean theorem, we can figure out the distance, which turns out to be 6.72 meters, which is just 0.1 meters longer than the shooting distance. As you can see, physics is present in every single sport and movement that humans and objects make. Understanding physics is essential to have a better performance in any sport. It has been a pleasure demonstrating how physics is present in basketball. Watch our next episode on physics on Formula One racing.